Ever wondered why some websites rank better than others? It's all in the keywords they use. Let's unlock the secrets of LSI keywords in SEO. LSI, or latent semantic indexing. Keywords are not just buzzwords. They are the secret sauce to making your content more relevant and searchable. When you sprinkle these keywords throughout your content, you're essentially giving search engines more context, improving your chances to rank higher. So, how do you weave these powerful tools into your on-page SEO? First, start with a thorough research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or LSIGraph provide a great starting point. Next, don't just stuff them in. Integrate them naturally into your content, titles, and meta descriptions. Remember, it's about enhancing the user's experience, not just pleasing algorithms. Authority Solutions steps in by not just identifying these keywords, but by crafting a tailored strategy that integrates them seamlessly into your digital content. Our experts ensure that every page on your site earns its keep in the SEO world. Now, if you found this sneak peek into the power of LSI keywords useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on boosting your SEO game with Authority Solutions.